Protect yourself when cleaning up trash after a flood. After a flood, it's important to stay safe while cleaning up outdoors. Floods can leave behind dangerous trash that could hurt you. So, protecting yourself is very important. Floodwater germs are usually not a big problem. Sunlight and rain help wash them away. Chemicals might be present, but at very low levels. Children, people with breathing problems like asthma, and those with weak immune systems should not help with flood cleanup. Always wash your hands after working in areas that have been flooded. Wear pants, long sleeves, boots, and gloves when cleaning up. These will protect your skin. It is important to protect your skin from trash that could cut you or from fuel that might have spilled. If it's dusty, wear goggles to protect your eyes and an N95 mask to protect your lungs. If you see signs of a chemical spill, like a thin layer of oil on the water that makes it look shiny, or smell fuel, stay away and call the State of Vermont Spills Team at 1-800-641-5005 or 802-828-1138 to let them know. To learn more about staying safe after a flood, visit healthvermont.gov/flood.